Golden rice breakfast bowl that you can actually eat any time of the day. Let's make it.
Fill your pot with water.
Basmati rice. She's so elegant.
Butter. It's the end of its life. Barely have any saffron left, but it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna do a little pinch. I'm gonna put a half a teaspoon of turmeric. Rinsed basmati rice. And then I'm gonna bring it to a boil, cover it, and then I'm gonna turn it down to a simmer, and I'm just gonna let it cook for around 10 to 12 minutes.
Time to assemble a fresh minty cucumber salad. You're gonna chiffonade. We have our eggs, we have our salad, we have our rice. Oh, it smells so good. Now we're gonna finish with yogurt, pistachio, and we're gonna eat our faces off. Mmm.